Welcome to GLC 2025 and welcome to the Engineers League, where strategy meets complexity and your robot isn't just competing, it's thinking. Last year, the teams brought serious problem solving to the table, designing robots that didn't just move but also with intent. This year, the stakes are higher, the mission is harder, and the city you're building is smarter. You are not just building for points, you are designing for real change. The Smart City Challenge is driven by two sustainable development goals, SDG 9 and SDG 11. This year's missions challenge you to manage real-world urban chaos, reconnect infrastructure with timing and control, build smart and stable structures using delicate components, tackle urban waste with speed and precision. This league tests design thinking, autonomy, execution, and team alignment. The Engineers League Smart City Challenge includes 3 core missions: fix the broken bridge, build the city, and clean the city. Your match time is 3 minutes. The first 30 seconds is autonomous mode. The last 2 minutes, 30 seconds is manual control. Start zone requirements. Each robot begins fully within a 30 cm by 30 cm area and under 40 cm height. Robots may expand in size once the match starts, but cannot return to the start zone to start over. In the Engineers League, a moving autonomous vehicle will be on the field during the entire gameplay. Structure components are unsealed, so lids or blocks may detach if not handled with care. Each team must grip, lift, stack, and avoid collisions with precision. Now let's walk through the missions. Mission 1. Road infrastructure. Your city's bridge is broken and it's up to your robot to connect it. Your robot must quickly place the missing bridge segment before the robot reaches the gap. If you complete it in time, it travels safely and your city stays connected. But if you are too slow or imprecise, the robot will get stuck or veer away, and that's on your team. You earn 40 points if your bridge is completed during the autonomous mode, and 20 points if it's completed during the manual mode. 10 bonus points if your robot crosses safely with no deviation. You lose 30 points if the bridge isn't completed before the robot arrives, and no points if the segment is partially pushed or unstable. Mission 2. City building. It's time to rebuild your smart city, a block at a time. Your robot must collect and stack individual unsealed components. A copper foundation, a violet middle block, and a grey roof to build infrastructures. Unsealed means fragile, move too fast and a lid may fall off. Stack carelessly and your building may lean or collapse. Now here's where teamwork matters. If you are on the Red Alliance, your team must build the hospital and the workplace structures. If you are on the Blue Alliance, your team must complete the workplace and the school structures. You earn 5 points for every copper foundation correctly placed. 5 points for every violet middle block placed correctly. 5 points for every grey roof block placed correctly. Height bonus. Your block points are multiplied by the number of blocks stacked. That is, total points multiplied by height. An additional 50 points for every completed structure, foundation, middle, roof, built in the correct zone. Minus 10 points if a block is misplaced or stacked in the wrong order. 0 points if a building is missing a foundation. And minus 50 points if your team destroys or knocks down another Alliance building stack. Mission 3. Cleaning the city. Use a robot to collect rubbish balls scattered across the field and deliver them into the trash container as effectively as possible. You earn 10 points for each rubbish ball placed in the bin during autonomous mode. 5 points for each rubbish balls placed during manual mode. You earn nothing if a ball is dropped outside the bin. Before you step onto the field, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. These rules are here to keep the game fair, fun, and focused on what matters most, you and your team's efforts. What you should always do. Make sure your robot always starts from the start zone, that's your launch pad. Be on time and ready when your match is called. Don't keep your alliance partner waiting. Your teamwork starts before the match begins. Your robots must be safe to use. No sharp edges, no damaging parts. And remember, this is your challenge. That means your code, your design, and your decisions. Adults can support, but they can't take over. Always show respect to your teammates, to referees, and to the teams around you. What you should never do. Don't start your robot during autonomous mode. Let it show what it is programmed to do. If you touch your robot outside the start zone or manual zone, you would get a 10-point penalty. And that penalty increases by 5 points each time it happens again. Don't restart your robot once the match begins. There are no second chances in live gameplay. Contact between robots is allowed. This is a shared field. But if you intentionally damage another team's robot, that's an automatic disqualification. The referee decides if it was on purpose. And most importantly, don't let someone else do the work for you. This is a student-led competition. Your hands, your brain, your build. GRC, one robot, endless possibilities.